So the Reggae boys are in the process of breaking the hearts of all Jamaican football fans. But guess what? The Reggae Girlz to the rescue. As the first round World Cup qualifiers begin this weekend, the girls are looking to make it 3 in a row in terms of qualification. And we all know that things are not equal between the men's game and the women's game. We have the USA, Canada, which are global powerhouses in women's football in CONCACAF. After that, it's basically any number can play. The Reggae girls generally tussle with Mexico, Costa Rica, and Panama for the other spots. One thing for sure though, if these World Cup qualifiers for the women ever get to a space where the Reggae girls have Trinidad, Bermuda, and Curacao to play for a spot in the World Cup, me can bet any money that the Reggae girls would deliver on the double, while such man them round so in a trouble.